Using the Field Regions Report tool, you can gain deeper insights in hybrid performance in your fields. Let's walk through an example of what this looks like. Start by logging into the FieldView app and navigate to the Overview screen. Tap on the Fields icon and open the field list. We'll take a look at a field in Illinois called Demo 2, aka Green Valley. This image is a simple satellite view of the field. We can see from this image that there is a great deal of variability here. Let's see how this variability impacted hybrid performance. Let's look at the 2015 season in this field, starting with the hybrid map. To decide what hybrids to plant in a field in the coming season, typically a farmer would have to take average bushels per acre per hybrid from a field and compare it to his observations of that field to make a prediction about what to plant. This approach leaves gaps in data and could sometimes result in a wrong conclusion. Let's dig a little deeper. On this map, we can see a farmer planted two different hybrids, Hybrid 1 and Hybrid 2. Let's see how these hybrids performed. Now let's take a look at the yield map for this field. FieldView provides the data needed to augment what the farmer observes. In this field, there is a lot of variation in yield, which is typical. The green represents the highest performing areas, and red the lowest. Let's take a look at the yield report for this field. You can see by looking at this report that the field was split with two different hybrids last year, Hybrid 2 and Hybrid 1. Looking at the yield report, it seems like Hybrid 2 is the right choice. As you look at this analysis, you can see that Hybrid 2 outperformed Hybrid 1 by about 5 bushels. That's a big difference, so you might decide that this is the best hybrid for this particular field. However, you can dive in and do deeper analysis in FieldView to better understand each area of the field by using the Field Region Report. Let's now go back to the Green Valley field and navigate to the Field Region Report. Using the Field Region Report, you can look at a specific zone in a field that has different hybrids on it, draw a quick circle or polygon, and get an instant comparison of the hybrids. This area is good for comparison because it contains both hybrids in a similar environment. In this case, they are both under the pivot. This granular information tells us the winning hybrid for this zone was actually Hybrid 1. And if we repeated this same analysis in multiple parts of the field, we would get a similar result. This is different information than what we would find looking at the field as a whole and provides a new level of insight. You can also save this region for future analysis. You can add a title, you can add notes to describe the region and a photo if you choose, and select whether you want the region to be permanent or just for that season. You can also create a tag to further identify the region and save the region for future follow-up and analysis by tapping the Save button. With this new information in the Field Region Report, you would likely make a different decision about what hybrid to plant next year and be better positioned for an increased yield benefit. With FieldView, we've turned analysis that previously took hours, days, or was even nearly impossible to do into something that just takes a few minutes.